Hi, let's talk about Enqurious, where our goal is to make learning truly engaging, practical, and impactful. With a wide range of content pieces, you can choose what fits your needs and goals. So, we have scenarios, masterclass projects, and even skill paths, wherein you can see that each skill path is a combination or a path of skills that could be covered one after the another. Same goes with scenarios. These are individual scenarios that you can use for targeted skill growths. You can also go to projects and you can also explore the master classes for learning. But how do we understand that what project or what scenario or what skill path suits best as per our requirement? So to address that particular challenge, we have these filters where we can filter on the skills, on the tools, and on the industry. So let's say that I wanted to go with something in Google Cloud and the skill that I want is batch ELT. All of these scenarios will be used to enhance these two targeted skills. Now let's go ahead with one of these scenarios. Now, how do I understand whether this scenario fulfills my requirement or not? That is where the learning objectives come into the picture. These learning objectives outlines the outcome of this scenario or what will I gain once I complete this scenario. But then again, how do I understand that what is the knowledge I should have before I even get started with the scenario? This is where we have clearly outline the prerequisites, that is, what all would be the level of the experience required to complete this particular scenario. At Enqurious, we believe that the best way to learn is to dive in. That's why the platform focuses on hands-on experiences, giving you the chance to solve challenges and apply your knowledge in real-world problems. That is why we always start with a problem. This way, you will engage with the real life challenge right from the beginning, letting you to uncover and understand concepts as you work your way through the solution. So this is an overview of the challenge at hand, and let's get started. Every piece of content is crafted with expert instructional design principles to break the complex topic into simpler, digestible steps. It is all designed to help you learn faster, retain more, and use your skill confidently. How that is achieved? This is one chunk of instruction followed by some questions that could be short question answers, that could be MCQs, etc., to understand whether the concepts were implemented successfully or not. We also ask for something called as a proof of work, which enables us to understand whether whatever was asked, yes, the answer was marked, but what led to that particular answer. If the learners need some help, we don't just give you the answers. We help you discover those answers yourself with the hint driven guidance such as this. With this approach, you'll be able to think critically, explore solutions, and build confidence as you learn.